Hello, my name is Asia. I just wanted to share a story with you guys. So recently we have got a surrendered cat here. This is Chance. Hi Chance. We also got him Dumbo. He's a really good boy. He's 10 months old. He's a little ragdoll kitten. So he came into the hospital for an injury, and then so he's got a fracture repair. He got a little fracture here. So then the whole bone's got like this space, but this is all fixed now. Thanks to the donation, we've managed to get the surgery done. But after the surgery, actually during the time that he's in hospital, he's starting to have a fever and then get worse. He stopped eating. And I don't know if you can see that he's eating now, which is perfect. You need a bit more, good boy. He's actually got yellow on his skin and also the gum. And he was at one point really lethargic. His temperature been like 40 degrees. You look, his ears a bit yellow, and he's got high liver enzymes. And so we did an ultrasound and found that he's also got fluid inside his abdomen. So that's not normal. And we think that he's most likely have FIP. So FIP is now a quite treatable disease. It's just it takes quite some time, and antiviral. He's got 2 doses of injectable antiviral. His donation will cover for up to the next about 2 weeks for the treatment. This boy will just need antiviral for the next 2 to 3 months, depends on how he responds clinically. And that is unfortunately pretty expensive medication, so we are still fundraising for it. But look, he's doing a lot better. She's doing well now. He's also making biscuits, so he's got a GoFundMe page. If anyone can donate or share his story, that would be amazing. So I have put his GoFundMe in the link below. Please have a look, and if you can, please donate. If you cannot donate, if you can just share and also like this video, that would also be amazing to help us reach more people. Before I go, I just wanted to clarify that he is not a campaign affiliated with a hospital or a rescue. It is purely under my personal name. But I'm really thankful that I have received many help from my workplace and also my colleagues and many other people. If you can also contribute and share and subscribe and like this video, we will reach a lot more audience and help him to fight this disease and get better. If you're interested in more detail and update, please click on this next video and have a look. Have a good day. Goodbye.